The friendship between Cambodia and China has grown stronger over the years, built on mutual respect, cooperation, and cultural connection. From infrastructure development to people-to-people exchange, both nations continue to support each other in meaningful ways. Today, as President Xi Jinping visits Cambodia, the warm welcome from both Cambodian and Chinese communities reflects the deep bond and shared future between the two countries. Chinese President Xi Jinping is visiting Cambodia on April 17th to 18th, 2025, as the final stop of his Southeast Asia tour, which also included Vietnam and Malaysia. This visit aims to strengthen the long-standing partnership between China and Cambodia, focusing on enhancing economic cooperation, infrastructure development, and regional stability. Amid escalating trade tensions with the United States, both nations are seeking to deepen their economic ties, with discussions expected on projects like the Funan-Teco Canal and other initiatives under China's Belt and Road Initiative. The timing of the visit is notable, coinciding with the 50th anniversary of the Khmer Rouge's rise to power on April 17, 1975, a regime that had historical ties to Beijing. While this aspect is not officially highlighted, it adds a layer of historical context to the visit. President Xi's meetings with King Norodom Sihamoni, Prime Minister Hun Manet, and Senate President Hun Sen are expected to result in agreements that further solidify the ironclad friendship between the two countries, reinforcing their commitment to mutual development and regional cooperation. Today is a special day in Cambodia. President Xi Jinping of China is arriving, and people from both Cambodia and the Chinese community are coming together to warmly welcome him. Along the roads of Phnom Penh, a wave of excitement and pride fills the air as thousands of Cambodians and Chinese residents gather together, waving flags and wearing warm smiles. From elders in traditional Khmer dress to young students holding Chinese and Cambodian flags side by side, the crowd reflects a deep sense of unity and friendship. Many waited under the sun for hours, not with impatience, but with joy, because today is more than just a visit. It's a symbol of shared history, growing partnership, and hope for the future. As President Xi Jinping's motorcade approaches, the cheers grow louder, not only welcoming a leader, but honoring a friendship that continues to grow stronger with every handshake, every smile and every heart standing along the road. Today, President Xi Jinping officially arrived in Cambodia, receiving a heartfelt welcome from the people. As his motorcade drove along the main roads of Phnom Penh, thousands of Cambodians and Chinese nationals lined the streets, waving flags and cheering with joy. The atmosphere was filled with excitement, unity, and deep respect. People stood proudly, capturing photos and videos, smiling as President Xi waved from his car. This powerful moment reflects the strong and unshakable friendship between Cambodia and China, a bond built on trust, cooperation, and shared dreams for the future.